This is David Saddlemeyer, Century 21 Liberty, and this is an excellent remodel at 5902 Fairway Drive in Hope Mills, North Carolina, close to Fayetteville and Fort Bragg. For more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, www.davidhomesforsale.com, that's number 4, or you can subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. That's a brand new roof as of 2018 with architectural shingles. This is a big corner lot, and the front and backyards are both fenced in. We've got some good shade there. So tons of space to enjoy the outdoors. Big front porch there. Beautiful brick veneer. The inside has been freshly painted, and almost all the flooring is brand new as well. This was just recently remodeled this summer 2019. Here's the foyer. Gorgeous laminate floors. And this is the formal living room. There's fans and blinds throughout the house. And this is the formal dining room. Next is the kitchen. And this is just beautiful. Let's take a closer look at the subway tile backsplash. There's 2 sinks. And here's the other side of the kitchen. And this is an addition. This would be your laundry room slash mud room. And there's another room here. And this one is heated and cooled. And next is the family room with a great view of the backyard. Again, it's fenced in like the front yard. Newer HVAC. Big oversized patio. Storage shed there, which has electricity to it. And there's a side entrance there. And there's a ramp on the extended patio. And this is the foyer again, which we came through earlier. 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths down the hallway here. Here's the first bathroom. With a lovely vanity. And the first bedroom, followed by the second bedroom. And you can see this house is move-in ready. Nothing for you to do, but just make it your own home. This is the master and the master bath. Love this flooring. Here's the shower and another attractive vanity. You can give me a call if you'd like, 910-723-8888 to see this or any home for sale in town. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoyed the tour.